Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully it's not too gloomy in here. It's gonna look and sound a little bit different until I complete the renovations in here. If you don't know, I am completing this beauty room because I've had so many requests to do a beauty room tour, which is coming during the holiday season for you guys. So today I am going to be unboxing my November Boxycharm. I can't believe that we're this far along in the year. Like, I don't think I've met any of my New Year's resolutions from 2018, which sucks, but I am so excited for this box, this November box. I saw the sneak peeks because they had Kim Kardashian do sneak peeks, so I saw it like before I even got my October box, it seems like, but I'm really excited for this one. I think it's going to be a good one. So let's just dive right in and try on the contents of this month's box. So last month I had a request to kind of restructure my videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you everything that's in the box and then I'm going to try on the products. So I'm going to go ahead and go right down the line here. The first item in the box is from CoverFX. They are glitter drops in the shade Nova. This is a limited edition shade and these retail for $44. So here is the bottle. They are beautiful golden drops. We will get into them later on when I try them on. Next up in the box, we have a really beautiful set of brushes. This is the Luxie Luminous Eye Set. So there's 4 eye brushes and they retail for $21 and they have this beautiful glittery gold handle. These are so pretty for the holidays. And I will be using this for my eye look today because we do have an eyeshadow palette in the box as well. So the eyeshadow palette is from Beauté. It is called the Grandiose palette. It retails for $24.99. It has 4 mattes and 4 shimmers in it. So here's what it looks like. A very beautiful warm toned palette for the holiday season. Next up in the box, there is a tweezer from Farah. It's called the Galaxy Gold Tweezers, and the thing that's so cool about this is it's a dual-sided tweezer, and they retail for $12. Here's what it looks like. It's dual-ended, so you can use either side, and I have hairy eyebrows, so I will always need tweezers in my collection. And then the last item in the box is a makeup brush cleanser from Bodyography. This retails for $12. So this cleanses and disinfects your brushes. So I think this is pretty cool because if you are new to makeup and you're receiving these brushes from Boxycharm, you can go ahead and keep them clean with a brush cleanser. And I am so like set in my ways when it comes to cleaning my brushes. I don't have a spray form of brush cleanser unless I'm like using alcohol, but that can dry out your brushes. So I will definitely use this and see if it works for spot cleaning my brushes. So my November box retailed for $113. I really like the looks of these products, so I want to go ahead and jump into trying them on today. So starting with the eyes, I'm going to be going into this Beauté or Beauté palette, and I'm going to take these eye brushes, like a random mix of the eye brushes to do this look. And I think I'm going to start off with the shade Patchouli, which is like a cream matte color. And this blending brush, it's a 121 mini tapered. I'm going to pick up some of this shadow and blend it into the crease of both my eyes. I am a little disappointed that there is no mirror in the palette, so I'm just using my Amrezy palette or my Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia. I don't know why I can't talk today. And I need to blend this cream color into my crease because I have some creasing going on from my concealer that I didn't even see until I got this mirror up to my face. The brushes are honestly kind of random. Like, there's not a good packing brush to pack one of these colors on the lid with, so I'm gonna have to use my finger for this look. They're mostly like smudging and blending, but for people with really small lid space. So because I want to do a golden look, I think I'm going to go into the shade Primrose, which is this gold metallic shade. I'm going to take it on my middle finger, and it's kind of like a warm gold. If you guys can see it, it is very warm. It's not as metallic as I thought it would be. I'm just going to place this on my lids. Kind of sloppy, but I'm gonna go in and blend it once I'm done with a brush. It's actually very, very pigmented. It's just not as metallic as I thought it would be. So I'm just gonna blend this out. This brush is way too small for my eye personally, like way too small, so it takes more work. I'm used to like a bigger, fluffier brush when I'm blending. Picking up another brush, this one is an angled one. It's called the Luxie 131 Mini Angled. So all of these are mini brushes, which makes sense as to why they're so small. And I'm going to pick up the shade Cinnamon. Cinnamon is this matte brown cinnamon shade. And I'm gonna pop this kind of just in the outer third, outer corner of the eye and just blend it in circular motions. The eyeshadows are blending and they're very pigmented. They're not like flying off the brush or anything. Then with this little small brush, this is the mini flat angled 111 brush, and I'm gonna pick up the light shimmer called Jasmine. This shade right here I'm going to put in the inner corner of my eye and also a little bit on my brow bone. Just gonna pop it in there, lighten up the look a little. I just want this to be all gold because I know I'm gonna have such a beaming gold highlight with the CoverFX drops. Taking the final brush, the Luxie 141 Mini Round Brush, I'm going to go back into Primrose, the gold shade, and I'm going to smudge this on my lower lash line, right in my eye wrinkles. This is definitely a very monochromatic, pretty simple eye look. Okay, so I just popped on a little bit of my Hourglass mascara. I wanted to keep it really simple today because I think this is going to be beaming. It is such a beautiful shade of gold. This is something I would definitely purchase on my own. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of this onto the back of my hand so that you guys can see it in a swatch before we put it on the face. So here is a really heavy swatch of the glitter drops. It definitely is gonna function as a really beautiful highlighter for my skin tone. So I have a little bit on my finger here. I'm just gonna tap it onto my cheekbone. Kind of pre-blend it out with my finger. And actually that's blending out just fine with my finger. I don't think I need my beauty blender at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and even out the other side. And then I like to go a little bit on the tip of the nose and down the bridge. And I'm actually going to show you how I would take it to the next level and really make this holiday and go with the November box theme, like how I feel when I see these gold products. So now that my highlight is on, I hopped off camera and I took off my gloss because the vision I have for this look is with a red lip. So I picked up my favorite red, which is Wifey from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I just only have the mini with me. I can't find anything when I'm organizing. So I'm going to pop this on and really make it a holiday look. I feel like a red lip with a really subtle gold eye and highlight is really beautiful for like a holiday party, and it's kind of the vision I had in my head when I first saw these gold products. So this is it for my November Boxycharm unboxing and the look that I came up with the items out of the box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this style of unboxing. Let me know if you like seeing the products first and then see them in action, or if you want me to unbox them and try them on one by one. I'm just trying to kind of give you guys what you request, and I got a request for this, so I figured why not try it out. So as always, the most important thing when I film these videos is that you guys let me know what you got in your box. I want to know if you got any other different colors than me, any other products than me. I love just talking about what we got in the box and what we like and what we didn't like out of the box. So please leave your comments down below. I should have mentioned this earlier, but I do these unboxings every single month on my channel, so if you want to see see the Boxycharm unboxed and tried on every single month, then make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. But I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for hanging out with me, and hopefully I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.